Guys, how are yous? Bitcoin with Dinny here. I'm just leaving the Bitcoin with Dinny office and heading over to get a bit of breakfast. Then I'll be heading back to the Bitcoin with Dinny office. But this is another unnoticed event that I'm going to bring to your attention that takes Bitcoin to 100k and beyond. If that sounds interesting to you, and it should be, hit the like button, throw a comment in, let me know where you're coming in from, and let me know what you think of this news. But Bitcoin being the scarcest thing that humans have ever had access to, everything else that humans have access to, we have the ability to create more of. Bitcoin is the first money that's of fixed supply and no humans can create more of it, and that's why psychopaths like me trust my wealth in Bitcoin more than I trust my wealth, storing my wealth in any other place I can store it, like currency like the euro, or the property market, or gold, or the stock market, or worse still, a pension. Too much risk in all those things. People are constantly creating more of them, and but with Bitcoin no one can create more. So you guys know that the value of Bitcoin is that it's scarce, and it was the first thing I learned about Bitcoin, and I think it's the most important thing to understand. And because I've been an entrepreneur all my life and understand scarcity and value, I'm like, well, if this thing is really that scarce, it's insanely valuable, I need to explore this. But Bitcoin becomes even more scarce than it's programmed to be. And how it does that, guys,